Hello, time travelers. Today we're meeting Konrad Adenauer. He helped Germany stand back up and helped Europe become more peaceful. Konrad was born in Cologne, Germany on January 5, 1876. He grew up in a hardworking family, and he learned to stay calm, careful, and determined. He liked learning and worked step by step. He studied law, rules that help a country stay fair. He wanted to help his city and his people. Konrad became a lawyer. Soon, he worked for Cologne, helping solve city problems. He was the kind of person who asked, "How can we make life better?" In 1917, he became the mayor of Cologne. That's like being the team captain of a whole city. He had to make big decisions, especially in tough times. Konrad loved improving Cologne. He helped create green spaces, like a green belt around the city. And fun fact, he even opened an early super road between Cologne and Bonn in 1932. Then Germany faced a dangerous dictatorship, the Nazis. Konrad was removed from his job and life became risky for him, but he didn't give up on the idea of a better and free Germany. After World War II, Germany was badly damaged. People needed food, homes, and hope. He believed Germany should become a democracy again, where people can vote and speak freely. Konrad helped start a new political team called the CDU. He worked to help West Germany begin again. Step by step, a new set of rules and leaders took shape. In 1949, Konrad Adenauer became the first Chancellor of West Germany. That's like the country's top leader. And fun fact, people nicknamed him Der Alte, which means the old one. As Chancellor, Konrad focused on rebuilding daily life. More homes, more jobs, more stability. He wanted families to feel safe and hopeful again. He believed countries should cooperate, not fight. West Germany joined new groups that encouraged teamwork in Europe. He supported early steps that later helped grow into today's European Union. The world was tense after the war. Konrad wanted West Germany to have strong friends and protection. In 1955, West Germany joined NATO as part of that plan. One of his biggest goals was friendship with France. He worked with French leaders to turn old arguments into new teamwork. He believed peace grows when neighbors become friends. Konrad also supported steps to face the past after the Nazi time. West Germany made agreements to provide compensation to Jewish victims and Israel. It was part of trying to take responsibility and move toward a more honest future. When he was older, he lived in Rhöndorf near the Rhine River. He loved roses and gardening, even had a bocce lane built in his garden. He served as chancellor until 1963, and he died in April 1967. Thanks for time traveling with PastPorts Kids. If you learned something new, tap like and subscribe. Who should we explore next? Another leader, inventor, or explorer? Tell us in the comments.